her your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness, and death at night, until death do us part.
And I, with the authority of the Church, calling on all those present here as witnesses, confirm and bless the bond of marriage which you have contracted in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.